Hello, hi, and welcome to the IM Pro Dashboard Quick Start Guide. In this Quick Start Guide, I want to quickly take you through the essential steps to getting started with IM Pro Dashboard. Alright, so when you buy IM Pro Dashboard, you're going to have this zip file, and all you have to do is just unzip it. Now, Windows has its own zip extractor, so you could click extract. I'm using 7-zip. A lot of people use WinZip, and there are many free ones out there. Let's just extract that. So now we got the folder IM Pro Dashboard. Let's just open that up. Now, you may have gotten a bonus. If you go into there, you'll find your bonus. Right, come into the main IM Pro Dashboard folder. Now you've got a getting started guide here. If you've got any technical issues, questions, or want to know more things in depth, then please go through this document. Right, so we'll open up IM Pro Dashboard. And here's the main screen. Now here it says version 1.000.400. This is actually the new version 1.000.100. Okay, so you got the help button on the left. If you need help, click that, fill in the form, and we'll get back to you. To get into the main application, just go to app right here, click this button on the right. Okay, now we can minimize that main opening screen. And here we are, IM Pro Dashboard. Right, the central location to run your entire operations online. There are a few sections on here that we need to really understand. One is add article, one is add category, and one is morph. Now, we begin by adding categories. Now, these will be your niches, how you think of a filing cabinet and think of the different sections, how you would want it. You know, you can organize it by website, or you can use your keywords. And however you want, you can organize this with keywords, niches, websites, however you want. So you type in what you want and then you click add, and then it says category added successfully. So now we've got these. Let me just add another one. Okay. So we've got that. We click close and we're back here. Now, if you select here, you've got all of your categories. So if we go personal development, now we've got our category. We can easily add articles, but it doesn't stop there. That's the first step that we've done, and I would suggest really taking a look at how you want to organize this so you don't get it all disorganized, but have it in a clear, concise, organized manner. So if you're going to go with keywords, use one version for all, you know, with a certain type. Remember, you've got folders. If you've purchased the WSO edition, you get this in folders, so you could have any number of these in different folders. That's a limited feature, only available now in the WSO edition, but we might pull that feature, so there will only be one locked version you can use at any one time. But for now, you have the flexibility, so take advantage of that if you haven't purchased the Pro Dashboard just yet. Okay, so let's look at the morph feature. Now, if we click on this button here, morph in blue, what we have is the morph feature. Now, we've got content, we've got our niches, we've got our keywords, and we got something else that's very important, and that is what we do with content, whether we post it to our site or we've done article marketing with it, put it on Facebook, Twitter, whatever. There's a loads of different ways of marketing online, or what you do with content. You know, if you're a writer, then obviously one of the options you might have on here is sent to client, or you know, researched. So it's very flexible for you, this Morph Unlimited feature. Okay, so let's just put Facebook here. Remember, there's a certain limited amount you want to type in here. I will explain later. For now, try and keep it short and sweet. You know, acronyms are good to add in here. Just simple stuff, or it becomes too big and you won't be able to check off the boxes. Okay, so Facebook, we add that in there, and it says morph option added successfully. So next we can add in Twitter, and we add that in there. And then let's say we're doing article marketing, and then we got YouTube. Yeah, and then we've got our blog. Okay, so we've got a few options on here. Remember, this is Morph Unlimited feature now, so you can add as many as you want. Whether it's today and tomorrow your marketing methods change, a year from now, 10 years from now, add as many as you want. And what you'll have is you'll need to activate up to 10 options. You know, this has a maximum of 10 options running at any one time. It will make it much easier for you. And I think it's very hard to find your marketing plan having a need for 10 options or more running at any one time. So you should be okay. Okay, so let's say right now our marketing strategy involves posting on Facebook, posting on Twitter, article marketing, and posting obviously on our blog. And let's just put YouTube in there as well. So these are all made active and will be accessible when you're adding articles, which we'll take a look at now. So if you wanted to unselect an item, let's say you got 10 items and you want to change around, just click in the box and it takes it off. It's not active anymore. Okay, so let's make that active again and then close it. So now we're ready. We've selected our category, personal development, and I've got an article here. Step into bliss. Okay, so now what we can do is we can either click the plus button here or the add article. You know, it's just we designed it that way. If your mouse is here, you can get more productive than if you have to go the other way. Okay, so plus. I've got my title. Again, you can type in here, but to make this a bit quicker, save you having to see me write a whole article, I'm adding it in here. Right, so we're adding the title. We've got title here, words needed. So like we can put, I need 350 to 400. You don't have to add that, but if you're writing articles and you've gotten a certain way, then you can always know by seeing in the grid this number, and you can always return to it easily and complete the article. So we also have content type here. So you've got article, website content, press release, PLR content, or other. What I would suggest is if you're doing for marketing, use article. This suggests that it's your own article, you know you own the rights for it, and it's an article for marketing, or it's some body of content that you're gonna put out there. For website content, let's say you're posting onto your blog, how we suggest doing it is selecting website content. It's on your blog, it's on your site, one of your own sites. Then that way you can easily differentiate between you've done marketing with it or it's on your main website. Then you've got another one for press release, which again, it makes organizing more simple because there's a vast difference between an article and a press release. Then you've got PLR content, so that you know that this content you've purchased from somewhere else. And then you got other. So whatever you want, you know, it's some other content or using this software in a different way, you can just put other. In fact, see a bonus video coming out soon that will explain some amazing ways to use IM Pro dashboard. Okay, so we've got a section here for article and we've got a section here for spun research and notes. In the article section, nice and simple. Let's just take all of this and then add it in here. Nice and simple. So what we got is our article in here. And it's telling us 416 words. We've hit our minimum. So now we can add in our keywords. And we've got a section for notes. Now with the spun section, you can put in your spun article. Or you can use this for notes or research. Let's say if you're writing an article, you can paste in your research in here and type on the left hand side. The benefit of that is, you know, that you wouldn't include, you know, you wouldn't have copied something that's on the internet into your own article, just to stop you from breaking any copyright rules. Okay, so there's a lot of flexibility here. You can post your article and then you can put your spun content here, notes here. So what we've got is a central location to add our data, add our articles and our content, and organize it by content type. And now let's say this is website content. We've added this article and we're using this on our blog. So we check that off and then we save and it says data saved successfully. So now we come here and if you just scroll through, you've got all of these options. Just scroll through to the end and here we can see Facebook, Twitter, article marketing, YouTube, blog, and blog says yes. So we know straight away this article has been posted to our blog. We can come through here and see content type, website content. 350 to 400 words. We've got 416 here, all is well. If we want to come back to that content, we just double click and it comes here. Now let's say we've added something else here. Just click update. Content successfully updated. Okay, so this is how the grid system works. The main view that allows you to take control of your entire business. You can add as many articles as you want in here. There is a limit. However, you would easily find hundreds of thousands of articles you could add in here. Add as many categories, add as many morph options. The software is unlimited. Okay, so let's just go back again. We're gonna add a new article. We'll use the same data as before just to save time. So I've put that in there. And then just add a new title. Okay, so let's just put this as article. Let's say this is a different article and we're putting it out there on marketing methods. Okay, so we've added that in there. So let's say we've gotten this article, we've posted it on Facebook, we've put it on Twitter, we've done our article marketing and we've done YouTube. So we've done all of these steps and then we click save. This is all done. Now we can go back and we straight away can see all of the options has been done. And this is how IM Pro dashboard becomes very valuable to you because you got all of your content in one place. You've got all of the marketing methods you use, and whether those marketing methods are same or changes, you will always have this option here. You will always have an easy option to be able to come back and see all of the content all in one place. Do you want to go on holiday to Australia and take your entire content with you? Nice and simple. Zip up this folder, email it to yourself, send it to yourself, add it onto your site and download it, whatever you want. Yeah, as long as you got this and you zip it up, whether it's today, tomorrow, 10 years from now, IM Pro Dashboard will still be there for you to allow you to be in control of your entire marketing. You have everything here, and to make things more interesting, the power of this software is amazing. Now look at this. Let's say I want to quickly get access to all of this information because I'm marketing online and I'd like to be fast. So you can select whichever one of these cells as you want. So just do Control C and then Control V and you've got it there. So I need the article now. So Control C and Control V. I've got everything that I need, nice and simple. I can move arrows and then Control C, Control V. I've got everything that I need, nice and simple. So the whole point is you get access to your data very fast. Now, there's something I need to point out, like here, we've got this big black box, even though in the actual article we can't see that. Let's just update. Okay. If a message comes up like that, it hasn't saved it actually. So be aware of that. Okay, so let's just do that again, and it's updated successfully. That happens because of the way it accesses the database. If there's a lot of things happening, it can slow it down. As I'm recording this video, it does that. Okay, so what we've got is all of what we need, all of the information that we need, and we can go back. We did a mistake, let's uncheck that, and then we've got it there, and then that's taken off, and then we can add it back, etc, etc. Okay, so with this, it's got that big black box. If we just do Control C and then Control V here, it doesn't show that, so it only shows it in this bit. It might show certain characters, but when you copy and paste, it's nice, simple text format. In fact, we designed it with writers in mind so that your content, like for example, if you use Microsoft Word to write articles and things like that, and you try and copy and paste it online, usually you'll find this added all different stuff, all different characters and things into your text. And what we wanted to do was to have a simple solution where your virgin content stays virgin basically, and nothing is added to it. Stays nice and good. Okay, so that's the main bit of getting to use IM Pro Dashboard. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and what I suggest is when you start using this content management system, this IM Pro Dashboard software, what I really suggest you do is right when you buy it, start then to organize your business. Don't worry about the past, don't worry about all your existing stuff. Start today, and every new content that you write or you get written for you, start adding it in there. Add your morph options, your strategies, how you use this, and what you'll have is everything you need in one place to be able to organize your business. You know, at Try a Million, we have clients who's got thousands of sites. You know, we've got other clients with one site, or they're planning to start a site. We got SEO companies with hundreds of clients, and IM Pro Dashboard allows you to run your entire online operations. You know, it might not spin your content, it might not do your marketing, but it will allow you to get organized and be able to achieve much more than you did before. Okay, before I leave you, there's a couple more things that I want to show you. One of them is total content. Here it shows you the total content. If you delete category, you just select the category that you want, and then you can press delete, and it tells you, are you sure you want to delete category? And then yes, and it will delete that category, and your articles will be gone in that section. So please be aware. That's why we put a big red button there, so that you know. Okay, so let's go back to personal development, as we've got the articles here. And let's say I don't want this article anymore in here, I want to delete it. So you select the ones that you want to delete, and then you press delete selected, and then again it says to you, are you sure you want to delete selected content? And if you press yes, it will delete all of it, including all of this information and data. So please be aware of that, please be careful with that, and always take backups. You know, often zip up this file. Again, filling it up with loads of, because text doesn't take up much computer space, this database will be easy to transfer. You know, even if you've got thousands of articles, it will be very easy to put onto your USB drive, or email it, or simply upload it to your website hosting and easily download it when you're somewhere else. It's very simple to work with this. And that's about it. Another thing, as we are Try A Million, and this is one of our software, we always want to help you get content in your hands, help you achieve more online. So if you want to save time and not have to write content, why not let us do it for you? And we can output as many as you need, all original, authentic, written by article masters. So if you need articles or you want to try us, click buy articles and Try A Million. I want to thank you for watching this video today, and I really hope that you will get big benefits out of this software, as it has done for all the other clients we got, and myself included. Thank you very much, and create a great day.